Welcome back to the Cow Barn Machine Shop. I think it's been like a year and a half, something like that, since my last video working on the cow barn. So if you'll notice behind me here, the big sliding door is gone. All the posts have been replaced, and we now have gravel in here. So it's a pretty exciting day. I'm thinking next week, actually, we'll have concrete in here. So today, what I'm working on is getting the gravel compacted in here. I'm getting one of my kids out here to run the plate compactor, this guy here. And then I've got to dig a footer out here in front of the door that will keep the concrete from heaving during freeze thaw. It's kind of a mess out here. I tried digging yesterday when the ground was frozen. We had like a blizzard last week and the ground was still frozen, but today it's like 55 degrees, so crazy. But anyway, I got to dig this out today and get a footer in here and then get all the rebar and stuff in here. So as soon as one of my kids gets out here, they're going to be on the plate compactor there.